What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up and activate your Payoneer account. So let's get right to it. Payoneer is a payment management platform that allows you to get paid, receive payments from like many platforms such as Upwork. If you are a freelancer, you can get paid directly from clients, you can get paid directly by credit card, and you can withdraw your money to bank account or send it to other Payoneer accounts. So it's pretty useful if you are a freelancer or if you are someone who receives and sends lots of payments. And some platforms or some sites even accept Payoneer as a payment method, similar to PayPal. So it's pretty much similar to PayPal, but with other sets of functionalities. And you can even issue physical or virtual credit cards linked to your balance. So here, it's a pretty useful tool, and in this video I'll show you how to sign up to it. Now, first of all, go to payoneer.com, and as you can see here, it has lots of features. You can get paid by clients, by marketplaces such as Upwork and others. You can withdraw your funds to your bank account or to send them to another Payoneer account. You can pay as a business owner. You can pay your the ones who work with you, and other features. So to create an account, simply register here or sign in, of course, if you already have an account. So click on register here. And here you need to specify your role. So if you are a freelancer, an online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental house, or an individual. So in this case, I'll choose individual. What you are looking for: get paid and make payments globally, or send and receive money between friends and family. So I'll select get paid and make payments. Okay, register here. And then you need to enter your information. So, okay, here you have the selection between your business isn't registered and yes, you own and represent a registered business. So you own a corporation, enterprise, and stuff like that. However, no, my business isn't registered. I need to enter here my first name, last name, email address, and re-enter it, and enter my date of birth. And I do recommend you using your correct information. Do not lie, because if they are not able to verify your information, or they suspect you are doing like illegal stuff or sketchy things, they can very well ban you. So I'll just enter my information and then get back to you. Now, just a warning, I'm here. I already have an active Payoneer account, so I cannot like create a new one with the same information, because they do require some documentations in order to verify your account, such as your bank statement, they might ask for your ID, and for other like bills like gas bills and stuff like that. So I'm just, for the sake of this video, I'm not entering my true information. But after I show you the steps to register, I'm going to show you how an activated account will look like. So here I'll enter my name. So let's say John, last name Smith. And again, if it's you creating your account, you should of course enter your correct information. So email address. Okay, so I've just added a name, an email here. This is a disposable email, and I've added a date of birth. Now register. And here it detects that my country is United States, and it asks me for my address, street and number, and then my phone number. And once I entered my phone number, they'll send a confirmation code here that I need to add here to verify my phone. So I'll enter my street and number address. And once I enter the address here, street and number, it detects the state and the town, and the postal code is added. Now I need to add my phone number. And here I added my number. Now I need to click on send code here to send the code to this number. And now it tells me that this number is already used in another Payoneer account. Now, the reason is because I'm using like a random disposable phone number, because I already registered my main phone number on my main account, so I cannot register it once again, and I cannot risk being banned from the platform or having any like problems. So once you add your own phone number and you get sent the code, you can add it here to verify it. And in the next step, you'll add your personal information, more personal information, and then you are good to go. So these are the steps: security details here, such as your password and stuff like that. And once you create your account, you need to verify it, of course, by adding like your bank statement or your ID, something that proves your identity, and then you are good to go. And once you've added your password, of course, they'll ask you to create like a security question or a couple of security questions in order to confirm it's you once you try to sign in. And once you are done with everything, this is what an account will look like. Now, of course, it's empty right now because I just made a withdrawal a while ago. And here are your history, your transaction history, your withdrawal and your income. And they give you by default 3 receiving account or 3 bank account, one in US dollars, one in euro, and the other is in pounds. And here you can get paid by requesting a payment from a client with their email. You can send batch payment requests to multiple payers, and you can get your receiving accounts. And here you can pay other people, pay to a Payoneer account, pay to a recipient bank account, and send batch payment to multiple bank accounts, and pay an Amazon advertising invoice and pay your VAT here. And here you can get your Payoneer cards. So you can issue 2 types of Payoneer cards. One that is physical card that will get shipped to you, and you can use it on any POS or any seller that you can pay with credit card, or you can ask for a virtual card that you can use online or link probably to your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet. And here you can withdraw your earnings, withdraw to a bank, or you can convert currencies if you want to convert currencies between multiple accounts. So you want to transfer from your US dollar account to your euros account. And here you can view your account activity and your linked bank account. Of course, you need to link your bank account in order first to verify it's you, and second, in order to be able to make withdrawal to banks. And here is your business network. And of course, you do not need to send payment requests for your client. If your client already has your Payoneer email address, they can send you payments automatically. Or you can request payment if you do already have your client's email address. And now, once you receive the payment, you can withdraw it to your bank here, or you can, if you click on the Pay tab, you can send it to another Payoneer account, recipient Payoneer account, or another recipient bank account if you own a business and you want to pay someone. Or of course, use the money that you get through your Payoneer card to make transactions. So it does give you a lot of freedom with the money that you receive. However, I do warn you that some websites, mainly the betting websites and some crypto websites, Payoneer doesn't allow you to work with them. And if you choose to go this path, you can get your account suspended or even terminated because of violation to the legal terms of Payoneer. So I do encourage you to go to the Payoneer help page and read more about the websites or services that Payoneer doesn't allow you to work with in order to have your account going. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can create and set up a Payoneer account and have it running and be able to accept and send payments.